Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the white filter videos on TikTok. So I'm talking about these videos. Like these videos where you stretch the video and make it wider and you put a music. I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. Actually this one, white Putin meme, is too famous. Okay, so to do this kind of video, what you can do, you can go to Instagram, and in Instagram you have a filter called vibe, and this filter includes the music also. So what we'll do here, we'll make a video here in Instagram and we'll save the video to our camera roll, and from there we'll use the video in TikTok. So let me record a video here. To activate the white screen, you have to touch on the screen. Okay, now let's make it hands-free and start. Okay, we are done. The video is done. Now let me save the video. Okay, now let's go to TikTok. Open the camera. Okay, here you can see the upload button. Just tap there. Now this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Okay, you can make a better video here. This video is just a crap. So once you are done with any other editing, you can hit next and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this white filter thing on TikTok. So to get this filter in Instagram, what you can do, you can visit the creator profile. Yachin is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery. And this is the filter, white Putin. You can tap on it, and from here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram and TikTok. And if you're not getting the filter here, you can check the description box also. I'll give the link to the filter there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.